Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing, and on the table in front of me is the Noble Pro 3 F1 lights for the 2022 to present WRX. Let's talk about it. I know what you're thinking. Don't these look the same as the Noble Pro 2 F1 lights? Well, that's because they are, but with one major addition. The Pro 3 lights share the same styling, quality, and plug-and-play installation as the Pro 2, but also add a reverse light function into the mix, on top of your choice of red, white, clear, or smoke finishes. No matter which F1 light you choose, you'll still have the ability to switch between the blinking F1 style or a more traditional flash style braking option. When it arrives and you're ready to install your new light, be sure to click on the link for a detailed installation video. So there you have it, the Noble Pro 3 F1 lights for the VB chassis WRX. I'm telling you guys, Import Image Racing, we have thousands of parts in stock ready to ship at any time. If you've got a car, a Subaru, whatever, we've got parts. So be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all the best deals on the web and in the world. We'll catch you on the next one.